Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is No Bruce, and today we're going to be doing another unboxing video for you guys. And this box is not as big as the last one we did, because the last one was like at least 20 pounds. And this is around 50 bucks. And right here, I don't know if you can see it, but it says Mechanical Keyboards, which is a very popular website that sells keyboards, sell keycaps that go on your keyboard and like replace the caps, if you guys don't know what that is, but look it up. It's a great website, great colors, great variety. And today I got myself this beautiful package, and today we're gonna be unboxing it. So without further ado, let's give it a try and let's unbox this thing. I opened this thing, but this one's still taped, so I'm gonna do that real quick. I'm gonna untape this. Okay, we got both of them now. Sort of like so you guys can see it. Oh. Come with a free sticker. Mechanical keyboard sticker. Nice, nice, nice. Get off that crap, we don't need that. Ooh. Ooh. And right here, this is the juicy stuff. This is the juicy. So it says Ducky right here. And you can see the kind of colors in there. Oh my gosh. This is from Ducky themselves. Right now, I have a Ducky 1-2 mini keyboard. Pretty legit. And right now I got some keycaps, and these keycaps are actually pretty freaking rare because they get sold out pretty much right when they get in stock. And I got these right when they came back, and it took about a month to get here, so I'm really happy they got here. I really just want to box these and put them on. Okay, we can open these. I don't want to tear it apart. I want to keep this box. Look at this. Look at the color. Okay, if you guys don't know, this is the Frozen Llama Keycaps. Frozen Llama. They're very, very, very beautiful keycaps with great. These are like some amazing colors, and they just look amazing. Look how great these are. Can't get any better with this. Nope, you can't. Oh, the cool! I did not know this. What? So we got this layer. This is like the 60% keyboard. These are all gonna go in mine. And then we got a new tool. Oh, they got the Frozen Llama tool. No way! Oh, I'm freaking out. This is actually cool. Okay. And this one, these caps are falling off. This is like for keyboards with like a 100% or 75%. They have more like keys, like they have the FN and they have the arrow keys, but I don't have arrow keys because mine's only 6% keyboard. Then we have this right here, these beautiful colors. So we have this one, and we have this one. This one is probably my favorite one, but these ones, once I upgrade to a better keyboard, like a bigger keyboard, I'm definitely gonna be putting these on. Oh my goodness, they're so smooth too. They're just like, oh, they feel amazing. This is a great. Okay, so this is the box. This is the amazing Ducky box. Amazing. High quality Ducky. Ducky's probably one of my favorite keyboard companies. They have some of my favorite keyboards and the best designs in my opinion, but obviously experts don't agree with that at all. But yeah, I think I'm gonna do a time lapse. And I'm gonna try to get these keys on. I'm gonna do a time lapse real quick to get all these on, and maybe I can like show myself while I'm doing it. So, right now, 3, 2, 1, go. All right, now we got all the keys off the keyboard, and it's just bare, and we have all of these keys floating around. This is the keyboard with no keys on it, and now we're gonna put these keys on it with another time lapse. So, yeah, I really hope you guys are enjoying this because this is definitely taking me longer than expected. Because these keys, they're not that easy to take off, you know. I just have to, I literally have to use this tool. See, there's one stuck in there too. But oh yeah, this thing is like same color as my keycaps that I got, which is actually really cool. Just Ducky on it, as the little Ducky logo on it. And on my keyboard, I have Cherry MX Blues, which are like clicky, very clicky, and they're pretty much like Fortnite kits, pretty much. That's how everyone uses them. But I'm sorry that in my time lapse it was super flashy. I didn't know that this color effect would make it that flashy, so I apologize. I definitely put a disclaimer at the front of it. And now let's get into another time lapse. You put these other keys on it. Yeah, boy. And now we are all done. Look at this beautiful llama. I put the air keys for my WASD and my space bar. I put this as my M key, which is my map for Fortnite. Beautiful numbers. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. You can't tell me this does not look amazing. This is probably one of my best purchases of the year. And also, very, very soon, over there, we have a PC case. And I will be unboxing that. There's 6 months. I gotta get all the parts for it. I'm gonna build it. And it's gonna be great. But yes, this is my keycaps review. Frozen Llama. This is like a Fortnite keyboard, pretty much. It's like, that's the Fortnite Llama, pretty much. Right there. Beautiful keys. Brand new. We have all these nasty keys. Get out of here. Don't want you. So, yeah. So, if you guys did enjoy this video, please make sure to hit that like button and subscribe if you are new, because we're trying to get to 200 subscribers, hopefully by the end of the year. That would be great. And yes, I will be unboxing more things. Just let me down comments. Comments, they're free. They're free. Literally just type something. I'll look at them, and maybe I'll buy them and unbox them. You just gotta let me know what you guys want to see. I could do LED lights for my room. I could do PC parts. I can do Pop Funkos. Literally anything I'll do. Maybe some new mice, stickers, anything. Just no keyboards or keycaps, because yeah, I don't want to waste my money on another keyboard right now. But yeah, if you guys did enjoy, like button, subscribe, turn notifications on. That'd be great. You get notified right when I post my video. Be the first one to watch. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy. Peace out.